Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today I'm going to be reviewing something that's very useful for the mechanic in you. If you've got a small shop, if you have a garage, you work on cars or fabricate sheet metal, whatever, you're going to need this. This is the BESTARC plasma cutter. I've had BESTARC products before, such as their stick and MIG and TIG welder, and they work great. So this is my first BESTARC plasma cutter. I've had plasma cutters before, but those are difficult to attach the air hose in it, and it's very unreliable. We're gonna open up this box right now, and we're gonna test it out and see how it cuts. Oh dear, as you can see, the plug is a 220. I don't have 220 power out of this garage. Oh, but look, you have an adapter from 220 to 110. So putting all this stuff together does take some time. You have to put the hoses on to the air compressor. You have to make sure that all the clamps are correct, plugging into the appropriate areas. Comes with instructions and a user manual. You have different attachments here. Your adapter plug that takes it from 220 plug to a 110 AC input. And you have the main gun, if you will, the cutter, connected onto the BESTARC plasma cutter base. You have to make sure that the air compressor air attachment is super airtight, meaning you may have to use Teflon tape, clamps, and nozzle attachments to get it fitted onto the machine properly with no leaks. I'll put you on time lapse because it's going to take a while. So actually, it wasn't very hard because this unit actually already had the nozzle connected into it. And all I had to do was take my air compressor and plug it in. I didn't have to use the hose or anything. It was plug and play. I attached the adapter from 110 to 220. I'm finished with the compressed air, so now there's compressed air going through the system. I simply had to plug in the gun as well as the ground cable, and it was really easy. 3 minutes. Very convenient. So here I just plugged in the power. Let's turn it on. So there's an on toggle switch in the back. Here it's powering on. You can turn this knob to higher or lower. The amount of amperage. You can push down and turn. I don't know what any of these things mean. This is what the display looks like. So I've got this piece of scrap metal. It's a piece of a tractor, a lawn tractor. It's pretty thick gauge steel. Just like a welder, you need to ground it. And you need a welding helmet. because you could go blind if you look at it. So we're just going to try it. So my circuit breaker blew in my garage, too much amperage. I just lowered the amperage to 15. My circuit breaker blew again. So I just lowered it to the lowest level of 3 points. Won't let me go any lower. And 15 amps is the lowest. Because my house is only fitted for a certain amount of amperage, right? I believe 110 amperage, not the 220 kind. It's gonna blow my circuit breakers no matter what. In an industrial setting, such as your mechanic's shop or your regular garage that have that type of amperage service, this will work flawlessly. It's just that my house is a residential garage, not fitted for that type of amperage. But I'll try it at the lowest setting anyway. It also blew. So while my house is not fitted for this type of electrical amperage, I won't be able to show you exactly how it works. But as you could tell from the beginning, the little bit that I was able to do, it does work. I just need continuity of the electricity that goes in without blowing a circuit breaker, you know? I'll insert some clips about how this actually works. But this machine is definitely a very inexpensive, lightweight, portable, even mobile way for you to be able to cut steel. If you guys are interested in the BESTARC plasma cutter, I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks a lot for joining me on this weekend's product review. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Here at Mowers and Blowers, we push them in the garage, but they come out driving.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.